Places to visit and see in Istanbul are very impressive. Istanbul offers great sights and points of interest for its visitors. Of course, it is not possible to mention all the best Istanbul sights, but here you may find the most fascinating, top 10 and the ones that you won't want to miss on your Istanbul visit. 1. Hagia Sophia Grand Mosque. Located in the Sultanahmet neighborhood, Hagia Sophia is a former church and museum, now a mosque. It is one of the world's greatest architectural works and accepted as the eighth wonder of the world, experienced the history in the Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman empires. As it serves as a mosque now, entrance to Hagia Sophia is free of charge. Two. Topkapi Palace Museum. Located in the Sultanahmet neighborhood, Topkapi Palace is a magnificent oriental palace and one of the world's richest museums that is situated on a triangular promontory dominating the Bosphorus and Golden Horn. It was the residence of the Ottoman sultans from 15th century to mid-19th century. It has 4 courtyards, terraces with astonishing views, as well as precious collections, one of the top tourist attractions in the city. 3. Basilica Cistern. One of the most impressive and mystical buildings in the city. The 2 Medusa heads, which are used as supports under the 2 columns at the northwest edge of the cistern, take the most interest and attracts the visitors. Four. Istanbul Archaeology Museums. Located in the Sultanahmet neighborhood, Istanbul Archaeology Museums are one of the richest archaeology museums in the world. The museums contains an immense collection of Hellenistic, Roman and Byzantine works and items including sculptures and sarcophagi, and consist of 3 separate museums on one site that include the Archaeology Museum, the Museum of the Ancient Orient, and the Tiled Pavilion. Five. Galata Tower. Located in the Galata neighborhood, Galata Tower, topped with a distinctive witch's hat roof, is an old Genoese tower overlooking the city and has a luxurious restaurant at the top. Travelers may enjoy the 360 degrees excellent panoramic views of Istanbul, Golden Horn and Bosphorus. 6. Sultanahmet Square and Blue Mosque. Located in the Sultanahmet neighborhood, the Blue Mosque, Sultanahmet Mosque, is a great sample of the Turkish and Islamic architecture and one of the most visited sites and mosques in Istanbul. It can also be considered as a triumph of harmony, proportion and elegance. 7. Grand Bazaar, Kapalı Çarşı. Located in the Beyazıt neighborhood, the Grand Bazaar, Kapalı Çarşı, is an excellent shopping adventure that you won't want to miss. A series of covered streets feature over 4,000 merchants, all selling their products and wares. You can find anything here from boots and slippers to gold and silver jewelry. 8. Prince's Islands. The Prince's Islands is one of the best preserved natural areas and sites in Istanbul. This summer sightseeing islands, Bayukada is the most popular one, was once the pleasure island of the Byzantine princes, and it boasts a stunning pinewood scenery. You can experience an island tour by horse-drawn carriages, and take a lunch at a local fish restaurant by the sea. 9. Istiklal Street. Located in the Taksim neighborhood, Istiklal Street, Istiklal Avenue, is probably the most famous street and entertainment area in Istanbul. It is a long, colorful pedestrian street full of all kinds of shops, restaurants, cafes, street shows, and more. "10. The Maiden's Tower, Kiz Kulesi in Turkish. The Maiden's Tower is a fantastic tower on the sea at the entrance of the Bosphorus, along Üsküdar coast in Istanbul. Also known as the Leandros, is one of the most popular landmarks and monuments of the city. Once a watch-out tower, the Maiden's Tower today serves as a cafe and restaurant during daytime, and as a private restaurant in the evenings. It also hosts a variety of special invitations and organizations such as weddings, meetings, launches, and business meals. Thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day.